do you remember we talked in the beginning why we do seed collection? Anyone?
Not exactly.
That's okay. So what we're doing is pretty much speeding up the clock. We're gonna move those seeds that, birds and wind and flooding would move naturally, but we're gonna do it. So we're gonna speed up the process of healing the land. We're gonna collect seeds. The seeds in the middle are infertile, and it's the seeds on the outskirts that have the seeds that will make low seedlings. So collect those. And then someone else can collect this species. It's called tall coreopsis. It's fairly tall. It will have, the scientific name is Coreopsis tripens, seed 3 leaves, tri. And you can collect the seeds on that as well. So just rip off the seed head. It'll be ready. The seeds are ready. They're nice and brown. Okay, so I have 2 more people with a species to collect. These go forth and multiply. This grass is called cordgrass, and the closest relative or cordgrasses are the ones by the sea oceans. But this is our prairie cordgrass. It's the grass with one of the longest leaves. Look how long the leaves are. And it has really nice seed heads. They're sort of rough. So remember, when you're collecting, collect a third. So you can either take each third of the seed heads or take a third out of a seed head. If you're taking a third out of the seed head, make sure you collect from the top at some times, from the bottom at another time, because those might have different genetic biodiversity in it. It's really nice grass, likes it wet, but can take a little bit of dryness, okay? This is called grass leaf goldenrod. See how the top is sort of flat almost, or like globular, as opposed to some of the goldenrods that have like a feathered plume-like appearance. So to see if the seed is ready, you can take some off and open it up, and the seed is not 10 yet, so it's not ready. But there might be some fluffier ones, and the fluffier ones are ready. So if someone wants to go around and look for the fluffy ones and collect those, there's the fluffiness, and the seed is tan in color, is like brownish, dark brown. That's how you know the seed is ready. And then collect just 1 species per bag, because we will wait. Hopefully the area up front will get burned this year, and then after the burn we'll put out the seed.
I'm Lorena Lopez. I'm a community engagement specialist with the Keller Science Action Center at the Field Museum. My role and one of my main goals is to connect people with nature. One of the ways that we do that is to engage local community. We're here out in Beaubien Woods, which is 135 acres of oakland savanna. We have oaks here that are over 100 years old. But as you can see, we have a fire going on. We're removing buckthorn and honeysuckle, which are some of the prominent invasives here at Beaubien Woods. And every month we're out here doing restoration work or doing special events within our partnerships.
Yay! Good job.
Buckthorn is highly invasive. It does come from Europe, and it chokes ecology here. It chokes our maples, it chokes our oaks. Here at Beaubien Woods, we have some of the most beautiful oaks that have been around in this space for over 100 years. And when we have oaks, it brings all kinds of ecology, and it sustains frogs, birds, and other mammals who walk through here. And when we have a biodiverse ecology, we have a better space to be in. And that also is a connection to people. The healthier a space or environment is, the better a person will heal while being outdoors in the woods.
Right here. That's perfect. I'm gonna leave it right here.
It's necessary to do nature walks. So here we have folks from the Forest Preserve of Cook County, which is the land manager of the forest preserves of Cook County, and they help us create certain events. We also have worked with Faith in Place. We've worked with Friends of the Forest Preserves. We worked with other local organizations and health clinics to do outdoor events for healing. Partnerships are incredibly important because we can rely on one another on doing the restoration, but also coming up with creative ways to engage and bring more people out to the woods.